Hello students, very good morning. Previous class I have explained that is cell practice 6a. Now we have to solve cell practice 6b. Same question in this also we have to solve. Same types of question we have to solve here. We have to find linear equation, we have to find value of variable. But in this one more part is given, check your answer. Means we have to check the answer is correct or not. In this here only, in the whatever variable will come, we have to put in this equation and we have to check LHS and RHS both are equal or not. If both are equal, then it is correct, otherwise both are not equal, it means our answer is wrong. So just go through with this each and every step what I will do. Same types of you have to do whatever I will left the question, and for each question you have to try yourself. Okay, now first of all we will solve. For that, how we are solving? Just transpose this constant inside it. So this 5 will go that side. So x upon method will apply same only. So 8 minus 5 will come. So it will come 8 minus 5, it will come 3. So now x upon 3 means it is a fraction, means rational number you can say, and nothing is that means 1 again. So again we have to do cross multiplication, means x upon 2 is equal to 3 upon 1. So this will multiply here, this will multiply here. So x is equal to 2 into 3, it will come 6. So final answer is equal to 6. Now we have to check the answer. So checking part, we have to put this x variable value in the place of whatever RHS, LHS says there x. So just put here in LHS, this side is called LHS, this side is called RHS. So in LHS we have to put x is equal to x upon 2 plus 5. Now we have to put the value of x. So 6 upon 2 plus 5, we will cancel out, 3 will come, 3 plus 5, how much will come? 8. So this is the same in RHS is also given. So this one is also 8, this one is also 8, means both are equal. So it means correct. So this is the checking part, means both our answer is correct. Now in the question number 3, we have to solve same process. First of all we will transpose this to this side. So minus m upon 8 is equal to 5 minus 2 will come, because plus sign is there. So we will subtract, it will come 3 upon 1. Now again we have to do cross multiplication. Minus m upon 8 is equal to 3 upon 1. So it will cross multiply here, then it will come minus m is equal to 3 into 8, it will come 24. And this minus will shift it that side, so it will be minus 24. So value of m is equal to minus 24. Again we have to check our answer. So we have to put here in place of m, LHS, just put LHS part is equal to 2 minus m upon 8. It means 2 minus 24 upon 8. Sorry, 1 minus is also is there. So we have to put minus 24. Just put here a small bracket. Then cancel out 3 jump, and then 2 minus 3. Then it will come 2 plus 3. We will remove this small bracket. Then 2 plus 3, how much will come? It will come 5. So just you see in RHS also 5 is there, and our answer is also came 5. It means our answer is correct, minus 24. So like that we have to check our variable value is correct or not. So this is checking part. Rest other part is same. Now we have to solve again. Minus 18 we have to shift that side. So 2x upon 5 is equal to minus 24 plus 18 will come. Okay. Now we have to subtract minus 24 plus 18. We will subtract, how much will come? Then it will come minus 6. Means 2x upon 5 is equal to minus 6 upon 1. Now again we have to cross multiply here. So 2x is equal to minus 6 into 5. We will multiply 6 5 30 will come. So it is equal to minus 30. Okay. Now this 2 is multiplied, then it will go in the division. So x is equal to minus 30 upon 2. Then we will cancel out, it will come minus 15. So x is equal to minus 15. This is the answer. Now we have to check our answer is wrong or correct. So for that we have to put LHS. In LHS 2x upon 5 minus 18. Now in place of x we have to put minus 15 upon 5 minus 18. So now we will cancel out 3 jobs. So minus 2 into minus 3. Here minus sign is there. So then it will come minus 6 minus 18. Now both are having negative sign. We will add. Then it will come minus 24. So final answer is minus 22. And in RHS also minus 24. So our answer is correct. Okay. Now we have to solve the question number 7. So here rational number mixed fraction means fraction is given. First of all remove this mixed fraction and then solve. Okay. So 6 2 is 12 plus 1 13 upon 2 it will come. And here also 2 plus 1 3 upon 2 will come. And here a small bracket upper part only will multiply 1 minus 2x, just take upon whole is equal to minus 4. Okay. First of all this 13 upon 2 transpose in that side. Okay, so here 3 bracket 1 minus 2x upon 2 is equal to whole upon 2 is there, means upon 2 we can put here also. Okay, so minus 4 here plus sign there, then it will come minus 13 upon 2. Here nothing written means 1, then we have to take LCM. So we will take LCM, then it will come 2. We will multiply here 2 because in one table 4 will come, no, sorry, one table 2 will come 2 times, so we will multiply here 2. Then it will come minus 8 minus 13. Then we will add here, how much will come? 13 minus 8, then it will come minus 21 upon 2. Okay, so this 3 will multiply, either multiply here 3 minus 3 1 is 3, 3 2 is 6, minus 6x upon 2 is equal to minus 21 upon 2. Now we have to put cross multiply here again, just you cross multiply. Okay, so 2 small bracket, put here bracket because this 2 will multiply both. So be careful, just put here bracket, then you will not get any confusion. So minus 21 into 2, then it will come minus 42 because 21 2 is 42 and minus sign is there, that's why there minus. Then 2 will multiply here, so 6 will come and 6 2 is 12x is equal to minus 42. Then this 6 will sit at that side, minus 12x is equal to minus 42 minus 6, then we will add minus 48 will come. Okay, now this minus 12 will sit this side, so x is equal to minus 48 upon minus 12, minus minus will cancel out, then 12 3 is 48, sorry 12 4 is 48, then we have to answer will be x is equal to 4. So our answer is equal to 4. Now we have to check this answer is correct or wrong. For that we have to check here. In LHS put here in place of x 4. So LHS is equal to 6 1 upon 2 plus 1 1 upon 2 1 minus 2x. So after solve we have to get minus 4. Okay. So just remove this small bracket. Then 13 upon 2 will come here, 3 upon 2 will come, and 1 minus 2 into here 4 will come. So just you multiply and subtract, then 13 upon 2 plus 3 upon 2, here 3 2 4 2 is 8 and 1 minus 8 it will come minus 7. Okay. Now here just you multiply here, then it will come 13 upon 2 minus will come here because here minus sign is there, then plus minus will come 21 upon 2, then LCM will be 2 only, then 13 minus 21, then it will come minus 8 upon 2, we will cancel out, it will come 4, means minus 4. So in RHS also minus 4, our answer is also minus 4, and according to our this x is equal to 4, both are correct, means our answer is correct. Like that, this one is we have to check how we have to check our answer is correct or not. Now in the question number 8, again we have to simplify this, then we have to solve the variable, find the variable, then we have to check our answer. Okay, so first of all here in this mix here means constant and variable is also given, constant variable is also given, and upon fraction is given, means this one is a first of all we have to simplify this fraction, means we have to take LCM 5 and 8, it will come 40. How we are solving in fraction, same process we have to apply here. In 5 table 40 will come 8 times, so we have to multiply in both by 8 like this. Okay, because numerator part is 8, that's why. Why we are doing like this? Because we are making same denominator, that's why. So this 8 will multiply, 8 4 32x and minus 8 3 24 will come. And here minus sign is there, so just be careful with this minus sign. And now again in 8 table 40 will come 5 times, so we have to multiply here 5. Oh, now that's why I have put here a small bracket, because here we have to multiply minus this 5 and minus also. So minus 5 5 or 25x will come, and this minus and this minus will get plus, and 5 3 are 15, plus 15 will come, is equal to 1 upon 1. Nothing written here. Now we have to simplify this one and this one. Now we will subtract, then it will come 7x, and we will subtract again here, then it will come minus 9 upon 40 is equal to 1 upon 1. Now cross multiply, then 7x minus 9 is equal to 40 into 1 means 40 will come. Then 9 will sit in that side, 7x is equal to 40 plus 9 will come 49. After we will solve, so 7x is equal to 49, then 7 will divide and go under division. So x is equal to 49 upon 7, it will cancel out, 7 will come. So final answer is x is equal to 7. Okay. Now we have to check our answer is wrong or right. So first of all, we have to put this x in LHS part. After solving, we will get 1 RHS. So just put here in LHS. Directly I will put in place of 4x 7. Okay. So 4x means 4 into x. So 4 into 7 minus 3 upon 5, and minus 5 into 7 minus 3 upon 8. Now multiply, 7 4s are 28 will come. So 28 minus 3 upon 5, and minus 7 5s are 35 minus 3 upon 8. Now you will subtract 25 upon 5 will come. Here we will subtract 32 upon 8 will come. Now it will cancel out, 5 will come, it will cancel out, 4 will come. Means 5 minus 4, you will subtract, 1 will come. It means our answer is correct. Because here LHS is 1 also, this one is solution part is also 1. It means x is equal to 7 is the correct answer. This is the answer. Now we have to do the question number 9. How will solve question number 9? Just you go through this. Here same types of question is given, but different is what? This one is variable this side, and here constant, and then here variable this side. So first of all, this just transpose this whole expression this side, and 1 upon 3 will be same as it is. So we will write down 3z minus 1, 3z minus 1 upon 2. This one expression, and nothing written means plus. This whole expression will separate there. So minus 4z plus 3 upon 3. We will not change sign on this because we have changed the sign for whole. Now we have to take LCM 2 and 3. Then it will come LCM is 6. How we are taking here? Same process we will do in this. So now in 2 table 6 will come 3 times, so we multiply by 3 here. So just multiply 3 is 9z minus 3. Again be careful here, minus sign is there, and in 3 table 6 will come 2 times, so we multiply by 2 means minus 2 will multiply here and here. So 4 to the 8 minus 8z will come, and plus and minus sign is there, so minus will come here, 3 to the 6, and is equal to 1 upon 3 here. So just write down as it is. Now we will simplify. So 9z minus 8z, it will come z, 1z, and minus 3 minus 6 minus 9 upon 6, 1 upon 3. Now here do cross multiplication again. Cross multiply here. So we will cross multiply 6 into 1. 6 will come is equal to 3 into z minus 9 will come. Okay. Now just you multiply, you will get 6 is equal to 3z minus 3 9 27 will come. Okay. Now we have to solve here. How will solve? Just I will do in this part. I am erased. So just solve here. How will solve here? 6. So we will solve here. Just 27 transpose this side. So 6 plus 27 will come is equal to 3z. Here 27. Now we will add 33 will come is equal to 3z. Now 3 will divide 33 upon 3. Then it will come z is equal to 11. We'll cancel out. So z final answer is 11. Now we have to check this 11 is our answer is correct or not. For that I will check here. For checking part I will do there. Okay. For the question number 9. So in LHS part is given and RHS part is separate is given. So this time we will solve both the part because in both the part has variable. So first of all I will solve LHS. So LHS is equal to 4z plus 3 upon 3 plus 1 upon 3. So just you put in place of z is equal to 11. So 4 into, here nothing written is multiply. So 4 into 11 plus 3 upon 3 plus 1 upon 3. So it will come 44. 44 plus 3 upon 3 plus 1 upon 3. Then 44 plus 3 it will come 47. So 47 upon 3 plus 1 upon 3 will take LCM, then it will come 48 upon 3. 48 upon 3 will cancel out 16, means LHS is equal to 16. Now we have to check the RHS part. So what will come in RHS part? First of all, I will solve in RHS. It should be come 16 only because in LHS came 16. That's why. So RHS is equal to given 3z minus 1 upon 2. 3z minus 1 upon 2. So 3 into 11 minus 1 upon 2. So here 33 minus 1 upon 2 means 32 upon 2. Will cancel out, it will come 16. So just you see here in LHS also 16, RHS also 16, both are equal. It means our answer is correct. So like that we have to simplify whatever I have laid, just try yourself and you have to check your answer also according to this method. Okay, that's all.